Hello everyone! This is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of the dress for my granddaughter Caroline. This is the dress of the Disney Princess Belle. The dress is absolutely gorgeous. I can't take my eyes off of it. I couldn't resist showing you this dress. We used 10 meters of tulle for making this dress. We also used 30 meters of the horsehair braid, 2 meters of synthetic silk, half a meter of lace, and 1.5 meters of cotton lining. We also made a bag. The bag and the front of the dress were decorated with crystals. There are some big and small crystals here. Turn around, please. Caroline looks just like a real Princess Belle. First I wanted to have a look at this dress on Caroline, and then I'll put it on the table to show you all the details. Do you want us to show you how to make such bags? If yes, write it in comments. Have a close look at the collar. Notice that it's draped a bit here. This is how it looks like on the back. The crystals make the waistline look very beautiful. Notice that the front of the dress is also decorated this way. We attached a lot of crystals of different sizes here. We also made matching gloves. Caroline looks just like her favorite Disney princess. It took us a lot of time and hard work to make this dress. Caroline went to a party wearing this dress. I'm sure that her outfit was the most beautiful. Caroline is a dancer. She takes part in different competitions, so she has to have different beautiful dresses. Have a look at the bag once again. We've already showed you a similar bag once. There was a chain in the one we showed you. This one is decorated with a yellow string of beads. Caroline, turn around once again, please. The most interesting thing in this dress is that we attached the horsehair braid to the tulle with the cover stitch machine. The dress is absolutely gorgeous, and so is Caroline. Next, Caroline will take the dress off, and I will put it on the table to show you the wrong side. I know that the dress seems very complicated, but actually it's not. The most complicated detail in this dress is the skirt. I'll tell you everything about it. The first thing I want to show you is the way we edged the bottom of the skirt. Have a close look at it. The technique was created by one of the tailors of my fashion house. The bottom is edged with the horsehair braid. Its color matches the color of the tulle perfectly. The tailors of my fashion house stitched the horsehair braid on the cover stitch machine. Have a look at the seam. We did an overcast or fold the bottom before attaching the horsehair braid to it. As I've already said, we stitched it with the cover stitch machine. We used 30 meters of the horsehair braid for making this dress. We edged every layer of the skirt this way. I was stunned when I first saw it. The technique is very convenient. The first layer of the skirt is made of cotton. This is a quarter circle skirt. Here it is. This layer is also edged with the horsehair braid. There is a huge flounce attached to the first layer of the skirt. This is how it looks like. Let's have a look at the first layer of the skirt this way. There are actually two flounces attached to it. Here they are. You can see how complicated the skirt actually is. Here are the two flounces. What's next? A 5-circle skirt. What does it mean? There are 5 circle details in this skirt. They are attached to each other with seams. I've already showed you how to make a 2-circle skirt. This is a 5-circle skirt. Just imagine how hard it was to stitch 30 meters of the horsehair braid to the skirt. The skirt is very beautiful. There are some more flounces here. Each of them is also edged with the horsehair braid. You saw how the skirt looks like on Caroline. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now let's have a look at the top layer of the skirt. The draping is very beautiful. Each seam ends with a crystal. We divided the half-circle skirt in half. That means that the half of the skirt is quarter circle. After that, we divided each half in 5 gores. That makes 10 gores in total. Each gore was made twice longer for the draping. When the skirt was ready, we gathered each seam to the point where the skirt was of the needed length. This is how this amazing skirt was made. When each of the gores was ready, we stitched it to the next one. Caroline looks absolutely gorgeous wearing this dress. The skirt is made not of silk, but of synthetic material. Have a look at the shape of the waist seam. It's also decorated with the crystals. The bodice is pretty simple. These are the regular front and back details. Have a close look at the collar once again. It's not cut on the bias. Notice that it's gathered on the shoulders this way. As I've already said, the collar was not cut on the bias. It was just made of this shape with an iron. Have a look at the way the front is decorated with the crystals. The bodice consists of the cotton lining, silk base, and the lace attached to it. There are also some crystals on the back, but not as much as on the front. Have a close look at the back once again. It's just like the one we showed you before. The only thing which is different is the back handle. This one is decorated with a string of beads. The back is very beautiful. When I first saw Caroline in this dress, I was stunned. I couldn't take my eyes off of her. I really hope that after watching this video, you will decide to sew such amazing dresses for your daughters and granddaughters. You still have some time before Christmas. You may think that the dress is too complicated, but now you know that it's not. Don't be afraid of anything. Practice makes perfect. I agree that this dress isn't simple, but it's not too complicated either. Our kids should also be different and beautiful. That's all for today. For Paukshte, Caroline, and the tailors who made this amazing dress. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.